I am with today Tim T, Jason, and Troy. Pam's here, and so is James. So we're gonna see what we can see today. It's a beautiful day, and Tim T is taking us to one of his areas, which is really neat. Yep, there's a game trail for sure. Careful for snakes. Let me know if you see one. Oh, I like this area. It's so clear right there. I know. That's what I said. Ugh. That's a nice arch in the middle of nowhere. It is pretty. Look at this, all bent down. Ugh. Oh boy. Oh lordy, I like this. Is it clipped down? Oh, whoa. I see something interesting. I gotta look at it. No, it's not clipped down. What is this, pig? Pig. A lot of pig. This is what I want to look at. Look at this. I think it's upside down. Oh, don't touch it. I'm coming to look. Look at this, guys. And that's pretty big to be upside down, to be jabbed in there. Like that. Yeah. Looking at this arch again. Here. And actually, it's clipped in behind that tree. Yeah, I see. I mean, it like the limb goes in front of this smaller pine to hold it. Yep. Yep. And you got that break right there, and you got that upside down limb.
Like that other campsite.
To me, that's interesting.
There was like 3 arches in a row, and on each one of them it was like this.
Look at your little decoration, guys. You got this right here, clipped in here with a tuning fork at the end right here. See? Going across. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's check it out. It looks all bent like crazy. Let's go look. We're gonna go look at a possible den, maybe. James just saw it.
This is like a net. This big tree thing is put up here to hold these little trees over. And you can't get in from this outside. You got to go to the other side to get in. This is interesting. This has been all pushed down. It's a blind. Look.
That's good.
Look at it.
Nice.
It's a blind. You know, it kind of almost reminds me of like a beaver dam. Like a beaver kind
Right.
Yeah, they did that to keep the dew off of them.
Yeah, that's neat.
Everything's been broken. Yep. This is really cool farming.
Your water right there?
That's why I say I see things out here in the woods. Well, what do you think? Is this cool? That's what they do here. They'll bend these trees over like this. Make a hunting blind. Yeah. And they put them 2 trees on top of it.
Come springtime, this will all be green again. Everything will be green and still growing.
Nice.
So it'll keep hiding them. They'll be able to get in here and keep
Any prints on there?
hiding in all the greenery.
Meter was going off here, so that was exciting. Yep.
You got a nice sighting right there.
Yeah.
Right there behind that tree.
Yeah. That's neat, Pam.
I thought that was your stick. Look at this.
Oh my God, Pam.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah. That's one of them marker. I think it's a marker. I do. It's too stripped. It's too bright. That's pretty neat, Pam.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Here you go, Pam. You got this branch laying across like this, remember? Let me see this. I think I see a stick in the ground. Checking it out. Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe not. Nope. That was not a stick in the ground. That was not. It's just a branch. This is a neat area.
This is nice, yeah.
This is nice.
This isn't.
Yeah.
This is nice out in her tent.
There's your big buzzard. Look at him.
I didn't know
Oh, look, he's right there. He's right there. Look at him. He's a big one.
Then there's the black.
That's that one. That's that one. That's the black one, I think, right there. Look at him. He's circling right here.
He does. James does. Mom's not doing anything.
What do you guys
So they're focusing on him. The RF.
It's the
Oh, you're on the RF
They're
too, huh?
buzzing me.
They're focusing on him.
Oh, that's what they're doing, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, they hit me hard over there.
Oh, they did. It went up to 6,000, 3,000, 5,000.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's keep an eye on that going out.
Yeah.
I don't know why they ain't hitting you.
Because you're new here.
Yeah, I want to check it out.
And there's like, who is this guy walking with the meter?
That's not a use for him. Yeah, but I'm new. Right, that's always crazy. And they pick it off and it takes some tears on, bud.
That's good. That is the question. Why?
Yes, that's the question.
I'm always thinking, like a drop, right? They'll do it straight. They'll do it right. For me. Right? Box up, they're getting it straight. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm always thinking it's something.
Back this way and see if it does it again.
It did. It was pretty loud, too.
Are you okay? Watch out, Ruts. Where's your stick?
You're doing it under that now.
Wow.
I keep getting blasted.
I know, I hear it.
And he's on the same settings that I'm.
I know.
It would be going off 24/7.
Right,
There you go.
right.
Well, see, that's what I'm telling you.
There it goes.
They know his.
There it goes.
Is it going?
Yeah, and I feel that.
They know him, but they don't know me. And
I'm getting out of there. I felt like I was going to fall backwards. I'm out. Because they pick who they want to energize.
Yeah.
now 30,
These meters are
22,
pretty good.
11,
Yeah.
20.
Dang.
Yep, see?
See, his ain't doing it. Mine's 29, 14, 37. Put it down closer to the ground. Let's have a look at that. 81. 16. Get it back
Like
up
really,
here.
it shouldn't be moving at all.
It ain't yours.
Mine just did because of my phone.
Just in case.
There you go.
Well, that's what I thought it was
Thought
at
it might
first
be
because
my
I walked
pacemaker,
past
you know?
them. So I thought it was my phone. But no, it isn't.
Yeah.
I got a pacemaker.
You have a pacemaker, so it's not.
It's electronic.
But he just put it up to it and it didn't go off.
Oh, wow.
Nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
42.
It's got, there, look at there, 200, 66, 124, 12, 26,
Yeah.
13.
Mine's
Four.
still not hardly doing anything.
There it is, 199. I got a quick buzz that.
All right.
Yeah.
So here we are in Tim T's area. It's nice for him to take us out. We're having a great day with Troy, Jason, Pam, and James, and myself. We're going into the swamp. James, you almost fell. Careful. Oh my God. This is what I found that bobber under, James, like was under one of these, right here like this, right here on the ground. Where did she find hers? Did you know?
I didn't see it.
Oh.
I was going straight when you guys were.
I always love to know where she found hers. Well, it's getting dried up in here, huh?
You both found it in the burn towel. I was
Yeah.
in the green part.
True.
Others in swamp. There we go. Now we're in the swamp.
Mm-hmm.
Can't get any better than this.
I smell a Christmas tree.
Did you?
Yeah. Smelled like one. So we got this hanging branch here with a tuning fork and a little branch going through it. So that's interesting because it didn't come up from any of those tops. That's way too thick at the end of that one. Yeah, he's getting hits. Where did that limb come from? And look at the tuning fork, and you got that other branch going through it.
Yeah.
You know? And look at this, X leading out that way, that.
Yeah.
Interesting. You got a little limb over here and a little one over there. I don't know if that's a tree. Let's see what this is. Yep, this is stuck in the ground deep. Yeah.
Nice.
Deep.
That's what I love seeing them.
Deep. It didn't just go that deep. It didn't go that deep.
You always find
I don't believe it. And then what's over here? I think this is a tree though, growing here, to be honest. Well, it's not growing now, of course. Yep, nope. Yep, that was growing there. Yep. Another location, Tim T's. We're all walking. And there's Teddy. Yeah, Teddy. Oh. All right. I have a little arch being held down by another pine tree in there. We sure do. There you go. And way back there, I see some stuff. Way back. Look at that cool S-shaped pine tree way back there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Walking back here because I saw possible signs way back here, and I want to check them out. It's a pretty cool area because it's like palm fronds all around it and not here. This is just grass, and I want to see what's going on with this over here. Something that caught my eye. I'm going to look.
Open this right here. Isn't that weird?
I just don't understand how that. Okay. Look at, see the way this is? The way this is just looks like it might have been possibly placed in there. Because of the way it's just shoved, it's upside down for one. That's weird. And what is this? A floater thingy? Let's go look. Oh no, just a branch. Branch is just down there. All right. What? Good for you. Good God, that's awesome. Yeah, hell yeah. Oh my God. You got a good one, girl. That's
This is going on the table.
freaking amazing.
Unless it's too big.
Yay, no, it's good. Look at that. That's awesome. That's good.
It's going on our table, girl.
Yay. Good job. Here, to me. I don't know where that... There was an X. I don't know where it went, but we'll look at this first. I thought this was pretty darn interesting. Look. Look.
Oh, yeah.
On the ground. Those two going up like that.
Yeah.
Then you have an arch. And that thing is over the arch. Yes, that thing is over the arch. And the X is right here. Look at this, though. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's neat.
Yeah, it is.
Then you got a break over there, and you got, I think that was the X back there.
I think it was.
Yeah, but that's,
Yeah, that was it.
yeah. And then you got something here, off the ground. What is that? Let me take a picture of this first. It's been a very good day. We're glad we came out. We're excited to see Timothy and Troy again, and Jason. It's a great day.